What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Moto G 5G smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance, that how fast battery is draining while playing all of these games, and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So these are the games we got today on our Moto G 5G smartphone. Right now the battery percentage is 75. CPU temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. So let's just start our test and let's see how good this device is going to perform while play all of these games. So first of all, let's just start with Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the game setting you can see by default medium is selected for the graphics quality and high for the frame rate, even though we got high and very high graphics quality available and also the max frame rate. So if I go to high here, you can see the other options for the frame rates are getting disappeared, and on very high once again we are getting only the high FPS. So I'm going to select the max frame rate and the medium graphics quality, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be on Call of Duty Mobile. So if you have a look on the graphics quality, you can see it's not that great. For example, this hut, the cottage is looking blurry when I'm going close to it, but it's very smooth because of the maximum frame rate we are using here. So everything is nice and smooth, there is no frame drop or lagging.
Lost the lead.
So the gameplay is very smooth. The graphics quality is also quite good. As you can see, no frame drops or lagging is happening.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Headshot.
So everything is nice and smooth.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Contact with enemy.
So I'm just gonna leave it here. Let's have a look on the battery status. Battery percentage is 74 and the CPU temperature is 39. Battery temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. So everything is quite nice in terms of battery performance here. I'm just going to close the Call of Duty Mobile here. And now let's play the Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected the high graphics quality. So let's play Asphalt 9 on Moto G 5G and let's see how good it's going to be. The graphics quality is looking quite nice. So as you can see that it was very smooth, no frame drop or lagging happened while playing Asphalt 9 on Moto G 5G here. The graphic quality was quite nice and it was very smooth. So let's leave it here and now it's time to play the next game, and that's going to be the Shadowgun Legends. So here in the graphics setting of Shadowgun Legends, we have selected the ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And this is a very heavy graphics game and it usually heats up the device a lot. Right now, as you can see, the battery temperature is 29, CPU 38. So let's play the game and let's see first of all how smooth it's going to be and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not.
Let's kick some space butts.
So a bit of lag is happening. But the graphics quality is so nice. For example, if you have a look on the gun here, the reflection of the light and everything, the 3D graphics rendering, it's so good. Lots of detail in everything, as you can see the sparks and all, especially the gun, it's so good. So surprisingly the gameplay is very smooth because this device is not a high-end heavy graphics capable smartphone, but still there is no frame drops, no lagging, and it's pretty smooth here as you can see. And the graphics quality is so good. Because if you watch our previous videos of some other smartphones, even high-end smartphones, while playing this game, they used to lag and there was frame drops and all. But here when I'm playing this game on Moto G 5G, that's a mid-range smartphone, the performance is very impressive. So everything is nice and perfect here while playing Shadowgun Legends on this device. But now you can see when I'm bringing the character close to this object here, it's a bit blurry. The objects at the distance, they are with good graphics quality, but here this part is blurry and pixelated. If you have a look on these robots here, even on their character, lots of detail. Graphics quality is just so nice. So while playing Shadowgun Legends, everything was nice and smooth. There was no frame drop, especially when we were playing this game on ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And the good part is that the device is not hot at all. Usually Shadowgun Legends heats up the device so much, but that's not the case while playing it on Moto G 5G. So if I go back from here and just let's have a look on the battery temperature, it's just at 32 degrees Celsius, and in many other smartphones the battery temperature reached as high as 45, 48 sometimes. So this is very impressive. Even CPU is at just 38 degrees Celsius after playing this game on ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. So this time I'm pretty impressed for sure. So now let's close the Shadowgun Legends, and now it's time for the last game, and that's the PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, by default the HD graphics quality and high frame rate is selected. HDR on watts is not available, and if I go to balanced, then ultra FPS is appearing. So I'm just going to select the ultra here for the FPS and graphics quality as balanced. And now let's play the game. So as you can see, it's very smooth here. Super smooth, and the graphics quality is quite nice as well. If you have a look on the costume, the reflection of the light, the crease, everything is so nice. So once again, it's very smooth as you can see. I'm not so good in playing this game, so you will have to bear with me. But it's very smooth as you can see here. The graphics quality is quite nice as well, even though it's at medium graphics. So here I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you are a PUBG player, so how good or bad the gaming experience is going to be. So I'm not getting much action here, but just trying to give you the idea about the gaming capability of the device. And if you are a PUBG gamer, you should be getting that how nice or bad it's going to be. To me, it's looking quite smooth. The graphics quality is not that great, but the smoothness is nice for sure. No frame drops or lagging is happening. So I'm just gonna leave it here. And let's have a look once again on the battery status. So the battery temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and CPU is at 39. So the device is not hot at all. It's totally at normal temperature. It feels like it is exactly at the same temperature as I have started. And here you can see that the battery percentage moved to 68 from 75. The screen was on for 30 minutes. That's the duration of this video recording so far, and after 30 minutes of continuous usage, the battery percentage reduced just 7%. So this is quite nice as well. So if you are a gamer, you should be getting the idea that for your favorite games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile, how good the performance of the device is going to be. I was particularly impressed while playing Shadowgun Legends because, as I have said, that game is very resource consuming, and even the high-end flagship smartphone lag and heat up a lot when we play Shadowgun Legends on them. But Moto G 5G was able to play that game smoothly without facing any lag, any issue, or heating up the device, and the graphics quality was quite nice as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.